Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be trying to get this valve taken off and cleaned and see if it works any better. Obviously today's drive was horrendous, so hopefully we don't have a repeat of that, but you know, give it a go. We'll try and get the valve done and go from there. Remove the share pipe. Let's get this off, let's give it a go. You ever think something's going to take 5 minutes? Well, a couple minutes, and it takes ages. That was just taking off that pipe. Took me ages. Obviously we can see we've got a nice split there and a nice split there, so that's probably the where I'd have to let it warm up, and it doesn't let me go over the RPMs, so we definitely need to replace that. Rather sharpish. Hoping I got something to sort out that, because that is horrendous. Anyway, back to it. Let's get them ones out. Remove that plug, boys. That's all right. Now we can get access to that bolt there. I want to turn my light on. That one there, that pesky thing. Gunky, boys. Real gunky. We'll give it a quick clean. It should be all right to put back in. Boys, we're giving it a quick clean. We'll give it a nice little dry off, another quick spray, another quick clean. We'll go from there. Right, boys, I think we've got a fresh coolant leak. I can see it all down there. I know this angles ain't great, but I'll move the stuff out of the way for you. Yeah, right there, looking damp, coolant leak, fantastic. I'll just get underneath and see where it's absolutely peeing out from, because we can't swear on YouTube, though we want to. Down there somewhere, yeah, right there, absolutely gushing out from somewhere. All on the mounts, yeah, fantastic. Okay. Next plan of attack, guys, clean that out, because that is gunky. Attempt to take that pipe off. If not, we fail. We take that pipe off and clean living daylights out of the valve on that side, and then we just clean living daylights in this side of this valve. If I could get my camera angle in there, right in there. Let's get to it. I'm going to get this little crispy pipe off. It's cleaned in there, that's alright, it's looking better, but now it's time to sort this out. Right, pipe's off, let's give it a clean. All back together now, boys, let's give it a go, see what happens. All done, let's give it a start and see what happens. It still runs. Thanks for watching the video, guys. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. And remember, guys, cabbage can, you can too.